So we already covered the Ryker sling and the Ryker grip. I just want to show you guys another option for the DC mount. The DC mount, again, is an accessory that goes in between the Ryker grip and the mounting bracket, whether it be the Picatinny or our M-LOK short or long post options. And it gives you a piece of Picatinny rail to mount your light or pressure pads. So it doesn't matter if it's a 2-button pressure pad or just a single button right here, momentary button. You have that option right there, right on the side of the gun. And again, being able to operate your devices while maintaining all the benefits of the Ryker method of shooting. The other option I want to show you guys right here is the cable guard. So our cable guard is super unique. It's lightweight, nylon infused polymer, and it clips on and off the rifle. And it's a little tight right now because I have the light right there. It clips on and off right here, but you can see this is it, super lightweight. But what it has on the backside are these grooves and these tracks, so you can route your cabling up underneath here so it's not compressing down. You're not having to zip tie this stuff down. You're just gonna put this on the top of your Picatinny rail right here, and it's just gonna give you another added layer of protection to keep your equipment operational. So again, the Ryker sling, set up right-handed configuration. Come on up. The Ryker grip is ambidextrous. It comes out of the packaging, set up for a right-handed shooter. You move that horizontal set screw, you flip it around, and you put it on the other side of the gun for a left-handed shooter. If you are using a DC mount, it does come with a longer horizontal set screw. Just keep that in mind. When you add the DC mount into your Ryker method, you're going to have to use that longer set screw to re-secure the grip through the DC mount into your mounting bracket.
Visit RykerUSA.com.